Very warm welcome to all of you on Shiksha Sphere. My name is Lavina Sunil Govindani, and in today's lecture we are going to study solution. This topic is very important in various aspects such as your exam point of view, industrial point of view, pharmaceutical point of view, and in your day-to-day life you are going to study deals with the various types of solutions. Even in your body, we carry different types of solution from one body organ to another body organ, and in this way we regulate our life cycle. So what we are going to study in this chapter? In this chapter we are going to study solution, what is solution, types of solution, then concentration terms. This is very important terms. If one want to be chemist, then solution preparation is must. Then effect of temperature, pressure on various kinds of solution, and then the laws related to it. And the soul of this chapter is colligative property. This is very important as exam point of view, because various questions are asked from these topics only. In this colligative properties are the properties which depends upon the number of solid particles and not depend upon the nature of the solid particles. There are three main colligative properties: elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, osmotic pressure, etc. So now let's start with the solution. What is solution? Solution is nothing but Solution is nothing but the homogeneous mixture of two or more solid particles which cannot be easily separated by simple physical method such as filtration. What I had said, solution is nothing but the homogeneous mixture homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substance or component which cannot be separated by simple methods. अब इसका मतलब क्या है देखते हैं. Solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substance which cannot separated by simple physical method. So what does it implies? Homogeneous means it uniform throughout the solution. मीन्स अगर आप एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर ले सकते हैं, अगर हम वाटर लेते हैं और उसमें थोड़ा सा पिंच ऑफ NaCl डालते हैं यानी कि सॉल्ट डालते हैं, तो उसका जो सॉल्यूशन बन के तैयार होता है वो कैसा होता है? होमोजीनियस होता है. उसमें हमें कोई लेयर्स नहीं दिखती, वो हर जगह यूनिफॉर्म होता है. उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम? होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर. तो हमारा जो NaCl और सॉल्ट का जो मिक्सचर बना है वो क्या है? हमारा एक सॉल्यूशन है. और उसको हम सिंपल इजीली फिल्ट्रेशन जैसी मेथड से सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. उसको हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन बहुत अलग मेथड्स हमको उधर अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी, तब वो सेपरेट आउट हो सकता है. और अब देखते हैं कि सॉल्यूशन के जो कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं. सॉल्यूशन में जैसे आपको बताइए होगा कि होता क्या है आखिर? सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट से ही हमारा क्या बनता है? सॉल्यूशन बनता है. तो कौन से पार्ट को हम सॉल्यूट बोलेंगे और कौन से पार्ट को हम सॉल्वेंट बोलेंगे, आइए वो देखते हैं. Solution consists of what? Solute plus solvent, right? It may be binary, means it having only two part substance, three substance and many more. If the solution containing only two components, then it called as a binary solution. And in this lecture we are only deals, or in your syllabus we are only going to deals with the binary solution. The substance which is present in small amount is called solute particle, and the substance which is present in the large amount is called solvent. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने जो आपको NaCl और वाटर का एग्जाम्पल बताया था, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं? सोल्यूट लेते हैं जो कि NaCl है, वो हम पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट डालते हैं और उसमें वाटर डालते हैं और हमें एक सॉल्यूशन बन जाता है. तो इसमें सोल्यूट कौन सा हुआ और सॉल्वेंट कौन सा हुआ? राइट. जो हमारा NaCl है वो क्या हुआ? हमारा सोल्यूट हुआ, यानी कि जो स्मॉल क्वांटिटी में डाला NaCl जो कि हमारा रेगुलर सॉल्ट है, वो क्या हुआ, हमारा सोल्यूट हुआ। और जो हमने लार्ज अमाउंट में डाला वो क्या हुआ, वाटर, जो कि हुआ हमारा सॉल्वेंट हुआ। इन दिस वे नाउ लेट डिस्कस द टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. So the types of solution, depending upon the state of matter, there are three main types of solution, which are gaseous solution, liquid solution, and solid solution. So let's first see the example of a gaseous solution. When the solute is gas and solvent is also gas, then the solution is called gas-gas solution or gaseous solution. And example of this is our surrounding, which is air. We can say air is also a mixture of different gases, so we can say it is the gaseous solution, and the solute and solvent are both are in gaseous form. So I now let's see the second example. Solute is liquid and the solvent should be gas. The example of this is chloroform mixed with the nitrogen gas. Chloroform present in the liquid form, and the N2 is our nitrogen gas, so the solution is liquid gas type. Then third one is solid and gas. The solid should be solid and the solvent should be gas. The example is camphor in nitrogen gas. Okay. Now let's see our favorite solution, that are liquid solution. We are very familiar with it. We had seen this solution in our day-to-day life. Like the solute should be gas and the solvent should be liquid. Oxygen dissolved in water. This is the example. Because of this only the aquatic animals living in the sea or in the water, because oxygen is supplied through the water. Okay. Similarly, liquid solution. Ethanol dissolved in water. This is the example where ethanol is the solute and water is solvent. Next is solid liquid solution. This is very familiar to us. Glucose dissolved in water. Nowadays summers are going on and ORS solutions must for us. This is the example of this type, solid and liquid. So third type is a solid solution. Here are also three subtype of this. When the solute is gas and solvent is solid, the example of this is solution of hydrogen in palladium. This is very famous catalyst which is used for the hydrogenation. In the organic part we are going to deal with this. Then next is when the solute is liquid and the solvent is a solid. The example of this is amalgam of mercury with the sodium. You had learned this in your class 9th maybe. In the chapter metals. Then last is the very famous example, which is when the solute is solid and the solvent is also solid. In our gold, the copper is mixed for the given to give the strength to the gold. So this is the example of solid type of a solution, and the solution is solid solution. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.